So hey guys, in a few days back we learned that OnePlus is working with ODM like Venta and Huawei. They are planning to launch a few inexpensive phones this year. The OnePlus Z is one of them and is coming as early as June, July. We have seen the rear official design leak, we saw renders, and what you are looking right now is your live front look to the OnePlus Z. So this was posted by /leaks and it could be any Samsung phone like A51, Galaxy Note 10 Lite or a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9/Pro. However, it is running Oxygen OS and that means it is a OnePlus device. This image shows it is in the setup section and there is an option to choose between navigation and gestures. So no shocker, you are getting such an option with the OnePlus Z. It's having a 6.4 inches panel with a center punch hole selfie shooter. This new image focuses on center punch hole and there's a small earpiece on top. You can see the notification icons and status bar in there. Now here's the comparison of Galaxy A51 design versus OnePlus Z. You can see there's a gap between the top and punch hole in the A51 while it's smaller in the OnePlus Z. Second thing I noticed is the A51 got really slim bezel while the OnePlus Z got thick one. So yes, this is the front design. Back is gonna be similar to Samsung's latest design language like a rectangular camera module with a 64 megapixel IMX686 wide angle and a macro lens. This one is coming with MediaTek Dimensity 1000 which is slightly better than the 765 but it's not as great as the 865 Silicon. So let's see how it is gonna perform. Ishan said it's gonna have a 4000 mAh battery and is coming at 400 pounds. By the way, the OnePlus 8 is 600 pounds right now, so that's not a huge gap. Some news on the OnePlus 8 Pro display issue. Some users are facing green tint issue while viewing any application with dark background. Here's a comparison with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and there's a small fix as of now that's turning on DC dimming. But then users are facing dark crush issue. So all in all, there's no stable fix right now. Good news is OnePlus is working on a patch fix for this and they'll start rolling out really soon. So that's all guys, latest OnePlus news. Thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.